Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm super excited to be here with you today unboxing my Summer 2022 FabFitFun box. I just got it from FedEx. They just pulled up and dropped it off at the door, so I tossed it up on the kitchen counter and let's go. Box is super cute this year, little popsicles. And let's just pry that open. And we are officially into it. So first things first, we'll open it up. Get the sides open. As always, FabFitFun magazine is right at the top. I'll be looking in there later for the next box clue. Summer is here. It definitely is. Of course, the cute little stickers. And then you've got like the various advertisements. Little code for 15% off. Some packing paper. And then we've got a couple more things. Some coupons, some offers. Always with the hydration stick. I don't really drink those because they're pretty high in sugar, but I always find someone to pass them along to. So now that we've got that stuff out of the way, it's time to get into the meat and potatoes of the box. And the first thing is this body scrubber, and I think that was just like a free extra item because it's not something I picked in any of my picks. And it's just kind of like a silicone scrubber. It's got little nubs on it. I think it would be good for exfoliation. So we'll just stuff that back in there. Next thing out is the Elemis Skin Cream. It's like an overnight night cream, Pro Collagen. I love all of their products, so as soon as I saw that, I knew I had to get it. And just coming out of winter, my skin is still super dry, so this will be something really good that I can toss on at night. So I'm really excited to try that. I already do the Thousand Flowers mask and the papaya enzyme peel, so this will be a nice addition. Next up, looks like it's already open, the box, not the tube. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that, but what it is a conditioner. So I'll just pop that out of there. And that's what it looks like. I thought I'd give it a try. I'm usually down to try any hair stuff. And the next item out are these Bobble Bar extenders. And they're just packaged in with the necklace I got as well. I'll show you those real quick. They come in a little fabric pouch. And there's just like the single chain extender and then like a multi-strand type. So I'll just tuck those back in there. The next item out is the necklace. It's from Sanctuary and it's a pink quartz necklace. I thought it was super pretty. And also pink quartz is supposed to attract love, and I need a little love in my life, so let's go. I'll get that up close so you can see. It's just like a disc shape with a little texture. Gold tone edging. Just a really cute casual necklace to pop on. I'm really happy with that. And of course they did include the extenders in case you wanted a little longer. Super cute. Okay, the next thing, this was what I picked for my mystery pick, and that is the Lasting Smiles Sea Salt and Citrus Aromatherapy Candle. Now, I mean, I already have a bunch of candles, but I decided that I need to start burning them in my kitchen just to get rid of the cooking odors and make it seem more homey. So I will add this to the lineup. It does have a pretty relaxing neutral color palette, and it smells amazing. It's kind of a light scent. It's not super strong or heavy, but it's a really pleasant scent, and citrus is good for the kitchen, so there you go. Digging deeper into the box. We'll get that out of there. The next item I got for my office, it's a desk mat. And I've been needing one because I do have a little mouse pad, but I do use several computers on my desk, and I usually have to move it around. And I figured with this desk mat, I could just put that down and be covered. Plus, I've been in the middle of a little office makeover, and this will add like a nice little trendy touch with the polka dots. We'll just get that open, and I'll roll it out and show you how big it is. So it's nice and long, and it's the perfect size for both my keyboard, both mouses I use, both computers. So perfect. I'll just roll that up. I'm just going to run right in my office with it later on today. And now we're getting down to the end. And I got this Lily Pulitzer towel. I'm a big Lily fan, and I love her patterns. I was a little nervous because it said it was microfiber, and I'm not always a huge fan of the way microfiber feels on my skin, but I'm hoping that since it's a beach towel and not like a cleaning towel, it'll have a slightly different texture. We'll see the moment of truth here. It feels good on the outside, but I just want to feel that back layer just to know. Love the pink edging. And yeah, it feels great. I'm so super happy that I made this selection. So if you're on the fence or you weren't sure and you're a little nervous, don't be nervous. It feels fantastic. And it's a super great towel for either just drying off with, or even if you're at the beach just setting your stuff out to lay down. Have a little picnic. And the bright pattern is super cute and summery. So I'll go ahead and get that folded back up. And then I'll just put everything back through one more time just so you can take a look at it. And now coming up, I will also be doing a video for the add-ons I got. I'm going to do that separate. I've also, with the add-ons, I got 2 mystery bundles, so I'll be showing those as well. So there'll be more videos coming up over the next week or 2. So keep an eye peeled for those. And then we're going to go ahead and put the desk mat back in there, the skin cream, the scrubber, the hydration packet, little advertisements, stickers, candle, necklace, extenders, the conditioner, and there we have it. Overall, I really am pleased with this box. When I first saw it advertised, I wasn't sure if I would be, but I ended up really liking it. I hope you love yours too. Until next time, take care, and thank you so much for watching.